Alright folks, welcome to another episode of Shoe Fly TV. It's your boy T, young Shoe Fly himself.
Kev, aka K Quick 88.
Today we're going to be doing a review on another upcoming kick that's coming out. Black and Cement 3s, man.
I don't know.
Black and Cement 3. The first shoe designed by Tinker Hatfield. Kind of the shoe that changed the course of Jordan brand. Because you know he was getting ready to leave.
He was getting ready to leave.
He was going to leave, man. But because of this design by Tinker Hatfield, he decided to stay because of this sneaker. Now, I don't have the retro that just came out recently. I actually have the Countdown Pack version. You remember the Countdown Pack?
I remember the Countdown Pack.
They came out with 23 sneakers from to Countdown to the Jordan 23. So they came out with a pack for each one and then released certain sneakers that had never been retro before, as well as classics that we all know and love. This is one of them. And this right here is the 23 package. So, of course, it comes in this special edition Countdown pack box, but some of these were bigger than others. Like this one is actually this one's huge.
Them Countdown packs used to go hard back in the day.
So,
that's when no raffles, nothing. First come, first serve.
Breaks up into two parts with your boy in the middle. Then it has all the sneakers 1 through 20. What is it? 22.
22, yeah.
On the side to just get to 23, just to show you the breakdown up to 23. Obviously Jordan's number. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this joint right here real quick. So.
Oh my God.
So, yeah. Beautiful, 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 beautiful sneaker. But also to
the 20. Oh my God.
We can't.
You got these too?
We cannot
let me see
not give a shout out to the all black blackout 20s. The blackout 20s.
Man,
series.
you are blessed. I don't have a pair of these. I got the pair of these, but I wanted the package.
Yeah.
Oh my God, dude.
I like those blackout 20s. That's why I was like, yeah, I don't have the Black and Cement 3s, and I need them 20s.
These
so
20s
that's
hard.
yeah.
They kind of remind me of the stealth 20s, kind of.
Yeah, but missing the gray and the red. Obviously.
You got the stealths?
Of course.
Okay, me too. I got the stealth.
We're going to go ahead and throw that thing to the side.
Oh my God.
So, on the newer retro that's coming out, the actual cut of the elephant print is higher, bruh.
Really?
It's bro. Like, there's barely any leather on this mid pad right here. Like the actual cut of the elephant print, it comes up almost to the top of this, and also as well on the back up here. And then the next biggest thing, it will feature the Nike Air on the back of it, bro. You will not see a Jumpman.
Okay.
It will be Nike.
I like the
Air.
Nike on it.
I think it just like, bro, anytime that it gets closer to the original, for me, myself personally, it's just doper to me. Like, it brings back the nostalgia when I was younger. And then it'll also have the Nike on the bottom as well, instead of the Jordan that you see right here. But as you can see from the makeup of the shoe, all black upper with the red part in the lace locks. The lace locks, I said race locks.
Bro, let me ask you a question real quick. Can I ask you a question? Did you wear these?
Yeah.
Damn, these are still saucy, bro.
I clean the bottom of my sneakers though, bro. Like, I take care of my sneakers.
It didn't look like you never wore these.
Yeah, I clean my sneakers, man. So
this is beautiful.
Then you have the cement gray on the tongue, as well as the
I like the material right
panel.
Here. See the material right here? What I'm touching?
Bro, and it's tumbled leather. I mean, it's not like the leather ain't. It's not like the leather's not nice. It's got a nice tumbled leather. You got smooth leather.
Yeah, it's perfect too. It's
top panel, but
no cracks. Because you know how some threes be cracking.
But I'm quite sure that eventually,
no cracks.
Eventually, one day,
it
they
will
start
doing
that just because. But if you feel like my midsole is so damn firm, feel how firm that midsole, bro. You can't even get it to. You can't even get it to move, because I take my sneakers out the box. I wear my sneakers. I don't just keep them in a box to end up crumbling one day. I take care of my sneakers, but. Black heel tab.
T, my man.
White jump.
T, my man.
White Air.
Can we have a history lesson?
History.
My history. These bad boys.
So, Air Jordan 3, this is the one where he won his second slam dunk contest. You know what I'm saying?
Really?
I think that he was actually competing against Dominique
Wilkins, yes.
But this specific shoe right here, this and first wore this one, the black and cement colorway, in the All-Star game. This was his All-Star game sneaker that he brought out for that game, and then he started wearing them again afterwards. But this is one of the cleanest Jordans ever made. These are the All-Star game shoe, which is obviously because he wore them in the All-Star game. They bringing back the shoe for All-Star weekend. This is the shoe that's gonna come out.
They came
out.
Like
I said, they had a higher cut of elephant print and Nike Air on the back as opposed to this version.
They had a pair that came out was 2011, 2012. Right?
2012.
I had those bad
that's
boys.
what I'm saying, yeah.
Those was, man.
And that's what I'm saying. This is the one right before that. That's
a copper pass? Hell fuck yeah, I'm copping that shit.
Yeah,
I'm getting these bad boys back.
You have to, with
these
the Nike Air.
Oh my God.
So, release date, February 17th. It's the 30th anniversary, so that's why they're going to be bringing this back out All-Star Weekend, just like when he was at the All-Star game, like I said. Nike Air on the back of them, so you know everybody's going to want a pair. Do your due diligence. Go to the mall. Do your raffles. Find out who's getting them online. Call up. Make sure that you do what you're supposed to do to get a pair. Sneakers app, everybody online. But it should not be that hard to obtain a pair. They should make a lot.
Like I said before, shit like these, easy, you ain't jumping over these motherfuckers.
No way.
I ain't jumping over this shit, man.
Once again, it is your boy T, Young Shoe Fly, your boy.
Yeah, man.
Black and Cements. Be on the lookout for these. Shoe Fly fam, and we are out.